day. Yeah, we're approaching the summer wedding season where every bride wants to look flawless for her big day, of course. But how do you get that flawless makeup look? Joining us this morning is Valerie Taylor and also Rebecca Minter, with both makeup artists with Flawless Pro Makeup Academy. That's in Sacramento.
Yes.
Here to show us what a flawless bride looks like.
Absolutely.
And look at how beautiful they look this morning.
Absolutely.
What I like is how natural they look.
This is our Flawless airbrush makeup. I'm a little nervous.
It sounds a little, but don't worry, you're doing great. Here's a great deal. You're the expert here. So you're going to tell us, so we're the ones who should feel nervous, right? How do we get this? You say airbrush. It sounds a little complicated, isn't it?
It's actually a very gentle process on the skin. It's a product that my company manufactures. It's aloe vera based, and it goes on the skin beautifully. Doesn't shine through or anything like that, or break down on the skin.
Well, that's a big thing, because we don't want a lot of shine, especially for those pictures, especially summer. We're going to be sweating. So how do you apply that?
Well, it's very simple. The process is, like I said, it's an aloe vera based product, and we're outside, so we don't have electricity to demonstrate it. But it actually goes on the skin through a little airbrush stylus, and it just glides onto the skin, gives a beautiful finish. And our model here, Chelsea, as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. She's ready for her wedding day.
Very nice. Rebecca, why don't you tell us about the look on here on our next lovely model?
Well, we applied her makeup in the exact same way. We just kind of casualed it up because her wedding dress isn't as formal as the wedding gown. And just the light lip and great lashes, and you have a perfect bride.
So is that really the trend, to be more natural?
A lot of brides are asking for that.
We see a lot of red lips traditionally on brides, but they're very pink, very subdued.
Very pink, very subdued. And sometimes we get theme brides, for example, something like kind of old glam, like what I'm wearing, with pale eyes and then a red lip. But it just goes by what the bride likes. And so a lot of people are asking for a very natural look. They don't want the heaviness of makeup, of a lot of liquid makeup on the skin. And so airbrush is a perfect alternative.
What's really great about your school as well is that you teach people how to do this. And as well, for the bride who's nervous, I wouldn't want to do my own makeup on my wedding day. So you have those services as well.
We do have those services. All you have to do is contact the school, and one of my pros, like Rebecca, who is our fresh graduate from Flawless Pro Makeup Academy and sort of my right arm right now, would come to wherever your hotel or wedding event is and take care of you beautifully.
It's really important. So we have two different skin tones around these lovely ladies. Tell us how important it is. I mean, especially during summer, a lot of brides may want to even use a bronzer or go a little bit darker on the skin, but we're not saying that that's necessary.
No. In this case, what we did with Jessica, our beautiful model, we did a little bit of highlighting under the eyes. And so the great thing about airbrush makeup is that you can't tell where one color ends and the other begins. And so that's the great thing. We did a lighter color under her eyes, we did a little bit of blush, and then we just blended in her natural color. And on Chelsea, sort of the same thing, but again, it's just all you can't see where anything ends or begins.
It truly is
beautiful.
Valerie and Rebecca with Flawless Pro Makeup Academy in Sacramento. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having us, May. Thank you very much.
And keep it right here. We'll be right back.